and the Lord spoke ahead that she should go ahead with the operation. That he's gonna walk with the hand of the doctors, and she's gonna be okay after the operation. This is a demonstration of the love of Jesus